Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will continue the series on the best Chrome extensions for affiliate and digital marketers. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you another fantastic extension. The Chrome extension that is very good for you to use. Now, what this extension will do for you is to help you to kill distractions online, especially when you are using Facebook. So without much ado, let's get started. So what you have to do is go to the web store, the Chrome web store, and on the search the store you have to look for key news feed. Okay, so you click on key news feed. So this is the extension. It says saves you time by getting rid of Facebook newsfeed. And the main reason why, because as affiliate marketers, you want to post on Facebook and you don't want distractions from friends and families because of the content they are posting. So this tool is very important. So I'm going to click on it. About 40,000 users, 40,000 plus currently. So what you do is add to Chrome. Add extension. So it is very easy to use. Before the news feed, you can see what the news feed looks like. So you can see how the Facebook looks like. The news feed is there. So I have my keys news feed here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate that and let's see how it looks like. So if I refresh here, you can see the news feed are gone. It's as simple as that. I can do other things I want to do, and it's so easy for me to get done whatever I want to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. What you can do for me, guys, is to share with me some of the extensions you have been using in your affiliate marketing business that makes work easier for you. So I will implore you to come back to my channel. Please kindly like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions to ask. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Yo.